Want to learn a little secret on how to get the most use out of your cleaning cloth? Come check this out. Grab your cleaning cloth and let me show you something. You can get 8 uses of cleaning out of one cloth. So I'm folding it and I'm folding it again. This is for educational purposes. Number 1. Two. 3. 4. So right here, you have 4 uses of this cloth. Fold it in half again. The other way. 5. 6. 7. 8. So with one cloth, you can use it 8 times to clean something.
Like this, flip it over, like this, like that, flip it over like that, open it up and fold it the other way, like this, flip it over, like this, and like this.
That's how you can use one cloth to clean 8 different times.